Happy Mother's Day, Ma. We love you. See you tomorrow. Miss you. See you soon.
O tapos yung asawa niya, malikot ang kamay, nangunguha ng pera sa amin. O sila dapat mahuli.
Tandado mo bahay mo.
O, nilalak ko talaga yun bago
Lalo ng pagsirain.
Males are good lover, but not good father. They're not the kind of fathers who will sit down and have a man-to-man talk with their son. Very few fathers can do that. No? They're not the kind of fathers who will sit down and cry with their daughters. Kasi ang mga, because of the machismo Filipino culture, no? The Filipino males cannot handle their feminine side. No?
Wow.
Kasi sabi nga ni Carl Jung, a mature person is a happy combination of animus and anima, the male and female characteristics. Ako bilang lalaki, may anima ako, no? That enables me to be gentle, to be caring. Bilang babae, may animus din kayo. That enables you to be firm, to be decisive, no? The Filipino males
Prof, may
cannot
tanong lang
handle
ako dun sa ako pwede balik tayo ng konti. May tanong lang po ako dun sa
Okay.
ginagaya ng mga infants yung kanilang parents.
Parents, decopy. Imprinting ang tawag dyan. Oo.
Isa po ba itong parang survival